Reconciled to the belief, consumed that sacred ground for me. There wasn't always a place to go, but there was always an urgent need to belong, yeah. All these fans and all these people, all these friends, and we were equals, but what you gonna do when everybody goes on with that, yeah? To the end, I'll turn it to the end. To the end, I'll turn it to the end, to the end. I'll turn it to the end. Started in 87 and then in 89. We got a garage and every play anytime. It was just the four of us, yeah man, the core of us. Too much attention on a board that they destroyed us. 4 kids on tour, 3,000 miles in a photo car, not knowing what's going on. You got a million years, torn out like this. Hell no, no premonition couldn't save it. To the end, I'll turn it to the end. To the end, I'll turn it to the end, to the end. To the end, I'll turn it to the end. This is a Mecca, I said this ain't no Mecca, man. This place is fucked. 3 months go by, he had no home, he had no food, he's all alone. Now I said from it once, 7 years, and 4 men twice, he went back to New Orleans. To the end,